Hello and welcome to the Tuesday Tidbit. Today's Tuesday Tidbit is, can I use capital gains as income to qualify for a mortgage? The short answer is yes, potentially. Now, potentially is the key here. And the reason I kind of hedge a little bit is because capital gains are a little bit unique. You do not realize the capital gains until you sell that asset, right? So if you have a lot of money invested in the stock market and the stock market, takes it on the chin and has kind of a rough couple goes of it, you didn't necessarily take a loss yet. You haven't taken a loss until you've sold those assets. So, yes, lenders can use capital gains as income, but they have to show that there's enough money left over in the assets that you were getting that capital gains from to reasonably calculate income going forward. So, is that income likely going to continue? How big is the portfolio? That's really kind of what a lender is going to be looking at. They're also going to be looking at 2 years consistent receipt of capital gains, because you can just take capital gains one time. That's great, but it's not going to show stability as income to help a lender qualify you until it's been received for at least 2 consecutive years. So 2 consecutive years of receipt, they're going to look at your documents, your 1099s, all of that to make sure that the income has been received. And then they're also going to be looking at how much is left over in that portfolio, and is it reasonably going to lead to similar income in the future? That doesn't necessarily mean there's a guarantee it's going to, but is it reasonable to expect that they could expect that income level to continue based on that portfolio size? So it's a little bit unique. Yes, potentially 2 years consistent receipt, portfolio significant enough to reasonably assume from a lender's perspective that that income is likely going to continue down the line. Hope that helps. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.